the people that say that the Mets had a good season because they won 101 games, those people don't really know shit about baseball. Those people don't know shit about baseball. Let me tell you something, man. This day and age, the way the baseball players are set up, the playoffs, the way the baseball playoffs are set up these days, the regular season don't mean shit, man. Regular season don't mean shit. Now, if this was like 1992, and if there was 4 divisions, the Eastern and Western Division, and both the American League and the National League, it would mean something because the Mets would go straight to the NLS, the NLCS, and they'll face the Braves back in the day because the Braves were in the Western Division. But then, if that was the case, then the Mets would have had a decent season. But for them motherfuckers to play like shit down the stretch, to quit, yeah, the team quit at the end of the year. They quit on the city. The way they quit on the city, the way they quit at the end of the year, that's bullshit, man. We need new players. We need to rebuild because we're not going to win shit with these guys. From Matt Scherzer to Jason DeGrom, they all need to go. After they fucking blew it, losing to shitty ass teams, getting swept by the sorry ass Cubs. When the Nationals took 2 out of 3 at Citi Field, when DeGrom lost to the pitch like shit against the shitty A's, they quit. The team quit. The manager quit on us. It's bullshit. It's fucking bullshit, man. It's like our manager Showalter doesn't give a fuck about losing in the post game interview, man. It's like he doesn't give a shit about winning. Oh well, God, like gee, we're gonna come out tomorrow. We're gonna play hard. Of course, they're disappointed. Come on, man. You need to show a fucking sense of urgency, man. We need a manager that's going to have a sense of urgency. A sense of urgency. We need a manager that's going to get pissed off a little bit. To hold people accountable. Because there's no excuse, man, the way the team played in late September and October. We need new players, man. We need new players. I like to see us get younger. Fuck it. Tear the whole team down. Tear it all down. At least the younger players give effort. But it's just inexcusable. It's just pathetic. It's embarrassing. The way the team showed no effort, it's like winning or losing doesn't bother him, man. All the way down the line, the Jeff McNeils, the Brandon Nemos. We need players that care about winning, man. We need players that care about winning. That's, we just need players that's gonna take a leadership role. We need players that show some fire. Get pissed off out there, for God's sakes. Act like you care. Act like you fucking care, man. Show some emotion. That's all we ask for, man. But the effort, the effort was just pathetic. 100 wins don't mean shit, man. 100 wins don't mean anything. Because the way the playoffs are set up, anybody can win it, man. It's all about who's playing well down the stretch. That's what it's all about, man. Who's playing well at the right time down the stretch. Regular season don't mean shit no more, man. Regular season does not mean shit. You got 15 teams going to the playoffs now. You know, it's all about finishing strong, man. We have a manager that doesn't know how to rest our players. More than anything, the players are worn out. Pete Alonso played every day. Every day. You got to rest him. We got a manager that doesn't know how to rest players, man. You got to keep the players fresh down the stretch. Regular season don't mean shit. It don't mean shit now in baseball. Look at the Phillies. How many games they win? I don't know how many games they won. What, 85, something like that? 90 maybe? They barely made the playoffs and they're already kicking everybody's ass right now. They're gonna fuck around and win the whole damn thing. They played like shit in the regular season. Regular season don't mean shit, man. It don't mean shit now. If this was 1993 and 1991, okay, regular season means something because you win a division, you go straight to the NLCS. But baseball don't do that no more. Baseball don't do that. You got 30 teams making the fucking playoffs. It's all about... the playoffs are a crapshoot now. Anybody can win that shit. Frankly, I think it's bullshit. Playoffs don't really mean shit. I mean, you know, it dilutes the excitement. But that's what the fucking owners want, man. They want fucking 50 teams in the fucking playoffs to create excitement, to create more money. But the regular season is just a fucking waste of time. I hate it, but they'll never go back to the old way because they're afraid of change. That's what they're afraid of. They're afraid of change. They're afraid, you know, people is always afraid of the past. That's why baseball sucks right now, anyways. But the season was just a waste. And the fucking 2022 Mets are not better than the fucking 2015 Mets. Okay? 2015 Mets had pitching. We had a good fucking bullpen. Familia, our closer, was lights out, especially in the playoffs. Starting pitching was good. Harvey, a young Syndergaard throwing 100 miles an hour. Steven Matz was playing pretty good. DeGrom was playing good. But Bartolo Colon was on fire. The hitting was better. Cespedes was on fire. Daniel Murphy played good. Juan Uribe played good off the bench. Kelly Johnson was good. Granderson played good. Kirk Neuenweiss had big hits during the 2015 year. David Wright stepped up at the end of the year. Lucas Duda had some big hits in the year. The 2022 Mets is not even fucking close to the 2015 Mets. Not even close. Not even close. They're definitely not better than the 2006 Mets. Not even close. 2006 Mets with Delgado, Moises Alou, Jose Reyes, David Wright in his prime, Paul LaDuca, Carlos Beltran. No, not even close. Not even close. The season is a failure, man. Season is a fucking failure. No one's not going to remember this Mets team. Either you win the fucking division, or you don't. Is a division or bust? Win a division or bust. That's what it is, bro. Mets need to just rebuild, man. Rebuild. Start from scratch. Get rid of everybody. Have a fire sale. Get some young players that actually give a damn. These players don't want to win, man. They don't want to win. It just disgusts me, man. Disgusting.